Model 2 incorporates cutting-edge software designed to enhance both energy efficiency and driving comfort. By prioritizing heating and cooling systems based on real-time data analysis, this innovation ensures a seamless driving experience. In addition, the accompanying application enables users to precondition the vehicle prior to driving, thereby ensuring a consistently comfortable interior temperature while simultaneously conserving battery life. This function significantly enhances user convenience without compromising overall range. Furthermore, the application provides real-time updates regarding critical metrics such as interior temperature, battery status, and tire pressure. Such information empowers drivers to prepare their vehicle efficiently for travel, effectively minimizing delays. Moreover, the trip planner function analyzes a spectrum of data, including weather patterns and traffic conditions, to optimize routes for energy efficiency. This capability ensures that drivers experience optimal vehicle performance, regardless of external factors. In relation to battery management, the real-time analytics are essential, as the planner intelligently suggests charging stops based on the vehicle's remaining battery capacity and the requirements of the planned route. This strategy ultimately optimizes travel without incurring unnecessary diversions. The Tesla Model 2 further supports drivers through user-friendly functionalities, which facilitate quick access to essential information while maintaining focus on the road. This design significantly enhances the overall driving experience. Additionally, the assistant not only updates navigation routes but also recommends the most efficient options, including necessary charging stops, thereby augmenting travel efficiency. This real-time adaptability is particularly vital for extended journeys. Tesla's Exit Care feature provides valuable peace of mind by monitoring the vehicle's status post-parking, alerting users to any unsecured doors or windows. This proactive measure ensures drivers do not inadvertently leave valuables behind. The vehicle's remote monitoring capability augments security by alerting owners to disturbances surrounding the parked vehicle through integrated cameras and sensors that capture incidents. This proactive approach fosters continuous vigilance. Moreover, the inclusion of geographical speed limits and alerts serves to enhance supervision for novice drivers, ensuring safety across diverse environments. This feature assists parents in closely monitoring their children's driving habits. Furthermore, a shared vehicle calendar facilitates the management of usage times among family members, effectively mitigating scheduling conflicts. The application also suggests alternatives when multiple users attempt to reserve the same time slot. Lastly, the guest mode feature enables restricted access for relatives or friends, thereby ensuring essential safety and privacy. This mode allows for temporary vehicle usage with limited capabilities, thus maintaining control for the primary owner. Tesla has made a substantial investment in a new compact vehicle platform, aimed at reducing production costs while upholding quality standards. This strategic decision plays a crucial role in ensuring that the upcoming Model 2 remains affordable. The Model 2 will feature advanced Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities, enabling it to navigate and park independently. This development signifies a major leap forward in Tesla's technological prowess. Anticipations around the Model 2 suggest it's poised to transform the electric vehicle landscape through competitive pricing and innovative features. Its goal is to present a compelling electric alternative to traditional hybrids. While hybrid vehicles, such as the Toyota Prius, may appear more affordable upfront, they frequently incur higher maintenance costs due to their intricate dual motor systems. This complexity can lead to substantial expenses throughout the vehicle's lifecycle. The production of the Tesla Model 2 is enhanced by cutting-edge technology at Tesla's Gigafactory, which facilitates efficient manufacturing processes and cost reductions. This ensures that the vehicle delivers high quality at a competitive price point. Moreover, Tesla's solar integration offers nearly free charging for Model 2 owners, which could result in savings of around $1,400 each year. This innovative approach positions the Model 2 as a financially savvy choice for consumers. It's important to note that the Model 2 is not entirely a new concept, it draws significant influence from the Model Y. This strategic alignment helps Tesla maintain brand identity and enhances its competitive stance against rivals. The rising demand for the Model 2 reflects a strong market interest in affordable electric vehicles, signifying a broader consumer acceptance of EVs, which is a positive trend for the industry. Looking ahead, Tesla's transition to aluminum-ion batteries holds the potential to disrupt the market by offering a more cost-effective and safer alternative to lithium-ion batteries. This shift could further drive down vehicle costs significantly. Aluminum-ion batteries enable a higher electron mobility due to their tri-positive charge, which enhances energy efficiency within battery cells. This creates a faster energy transfer compared to conventional lithium-ion batteries. The anticipated cost reduction associated with aluminum-ion batteries could save Tesla up to $2,000 per vehicle, providing a remarkable advantage in production scaling for the Model 2. This increased cost efficiency positions Tesla favorably in the electric vehicle market. Lastly, aluminum-ion batteries are projected to endure up to 10,000 charge cycles, delivering longer battery life and reduced overall operating costs for consumers. This durability stands in sharp contrast to the limited lifespan of traditional lithium-ion batteries. Pricing strategy of the Tesla Model 2 represents a transformative shift within the electric vehicle market, particularly as most competing models fall within the price range of $29,000 to $35,000. This substantial price differential positions the Model 2 as an appealing choice for a wide array of consumers. However, concerns have been raised regarding the quality of more affordable electric vehicles, such as the BYD Seagull, which may fall short of consumer expectations in critical areas such as range and advanced features. In contrast, the Tesla Model 2 is designed to deliver superior quality and enhanced functionalities. Furthermore, Tesla employs cutting-edge production techniques, including the use of the gigapress and accelerated assembly lines, which enable the company to manufacture vehicles with greater efficiency than conventional automakers. This operational efficiency has the potential to redefine industry standards in automotive production. The design of the Model 2 is a streamlined adaptation of the Model Y, aimed at reducing production costs while preserving the essence of the Tesla brand. This strategic decision may resonate particularly well with consumers who are budget-conscious. Moreover, Tesla's decision to introduce the Model 2 has been significantly influenced by the intensifying competition posed by companies such as BYD, which are presenting electric vehicles at markedly lower price points. This competitive pressure emphasizes the urgency of Musk's strategy to sustain market share. Yet, questions persist regarding the quality, production methodologies, and profitability of the Model 2 at such a competitive price point. These uncertainties have implications that could affect Tesla's long-term viability in the fiercely competitive electric vehicle market. The introduction of a new 50,000-ton gigapress is expected to markedly elevate production speed and efficiency when compared to the 6,000-ton press utilized for the Model Y. This technological advancement enables a more rapid manufacturing process. Additionally, Tesla's gigacasting technology diminishes production costs by substituting a multitude of smaller parts with fewer large castings, resulting in an approximate 40% reduction in costs for the Model Y. The architectural design of the Model 2 will feature a compact structure utilizing a unified casting process. This innovation enhances not only structural rigidity and performance but also contributes to lower manufacturing times and heightened efficiency. The Model 2 demonstrates impressive performance metrics, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in a mere 5.6 seconds, positioning it competitively alongside luxury sports cars. Furthermore, its energy efficiency of 15 kWh per 100 km reflects a 25% enhancement over prevailing industry standards. In addition, the Model 2 incorporates a 48V electrical architecture that minimizes energy loss and facilitates lighter wiring, thereby improving overall vehicle efficiency. This design choice has direct implications for reduced production costs. Lastly, Tesla's internal production capabilities for power electronics enhance both integration and performance while mitigating dependence on foreign supply chains. Nonetheless, the safety of batteries remains a significant concern, necessitating ongoing innovation and rigorous testing. Pre-order process for the Model 2 officially opens on November 6, with an initial cap set at 10,000 units, contingent upon specific eligibility criteria. This limited availability heightens the anticipation among prospective customers. The production strategy for the Model 2 incorporates Tesla's advanced Gen 3 platform, which aims to minimize manufacturing costs while ensuring high-quality output. This innovative methodology has the potential to transform the landscape of affordable electric vehicle production. Elon Musk's steadfast commitment to delivering a high-quality electric vehicle at a substantially reduced price compared to existing market options is indeed groundbreaking. This approach effectively challenges the prevailing notion that electric vehicles must be exorbitantly priced to ensure reliability. Tesla's manufacturing capabilities play a pivotal role in the efficient production of the Model 2. The company strategically utilizes established technology from its Model 3 and Model Y to enhance the overall manufacturing process. The design philosophy of the Model 2 emphasizes simplicity and practicality. It features a compact crossover format combined with a minimalist aesthetic, thus appealing to a diverse range of consumers. Interior specifications prioritize affordability over luxury, with a focus on providing essential comfort using cost-effective materials. The Model 2 is tailored for everyday practical use, deliberately foregoing high-end embellishments. A significant enhancement anticipated in the Model 2 is the adoption of a new 48V low-voltage electrical architecture. This upgrade is projected to improve both efficiency and performance across future Tesla models. Aluminum-ion batteries are poised to deliver marked advancements when compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries, potentially offering enhanced energy density and an extended range. This development could fundamentally redefine the capabilities of electric vehicles. In contrast to current electric vehicle offerings, aluminum-ion technology may nearly double the range, thus rendering more affordable models like the BYD Seagull seemingly obsolete.
This innovation signifies a pivotal shift in the realm of battery technology.
Lithium iron phosphate, LFP batteries, while more cost-effective, are associated with slower charging times and limited range. These limitations raise significant concerns for daily commuters regarding journey planning, which can greatly influence consumer purchasing decisions. Aluminum-ion batteries promise enhanced energy density and expedited charging capabilities, which could mitigate range anxiety for consumers. The successful integration of this technology relies on its scalability and validated safety under real-world conditions. The necessity for transparent battery strategies is paramount for Tesla's Model 2 to meet consumer expectations effectively. The equilibrium between cost and performance will ultimately dictate the model's success within the competitive market landscape. Concepts for the Model 2 have emerged, designated as Design A and Design B. Presently, public sentiment indicates a preference for Design A, which embodies a minimalist yet sophisticated aesthetic. Tesla's design philosophy underscores the principles of simplicity and luxury. However, this presents challenges in devising a budget-friendly vehicle such as the Model 2. The core challenge resides in finding an equilibrium between cost efficiency and the maintenance of superior quality. The type of battery selected for the Model 2 remains a subject of deliberation, with options including aluminum-ion or lithium iron phosphate, LFP batteries. The decision in this regard will substantially influence both the vehicle's range and its overall affordability. In the context of the burgeoning market for affordable electric vehicles, Tesla confronts heightened competition, notably from Chinese manufacturers such as BYD. This competitive landscape has intensified the imperative for a mass-market vehicle. The development of the Model 2 necessitates considerable investment in cutting-edge manufacturing technologies and the integration of standardized components. This strategic approach aims to diminish production costs while upholding quality standards. Despite its anticipated low price point, the Model 2 is required to comply with stringent safety regulations and performance criteria. Such compliance is crucial for ensuring its competitive stance against existing models in the market. The financial ramifications of not establishing new factories are critical for Tesla, particularly in light of the imminent expiration of the federal tax credit. This fiscal pressure underscores the urgency for maintaining competitive pricing. The design framework of the Model 2 must prioritize simplicity and quality to circumvent perceptions of cheapness, thus posing a unique challenge to Tesla's engineering teams. Achieving this equilibrium is vital to preserving the brand's established luxury image. Amidst growing competition from entities such as BYD, it is imperative for Tesla to innovate expeditiously to uphold its market share. The Model 2 signifies Tesla's foray into the affordable electric vehicle segment, targeting a broader demographic of consumers. To facilitate a substantially lower price point, Tesla has implemented reductions in numerous features, materials, and performance parameters, which may influence the premium experience traditionally associated with the brand. The Model 2 is fundamentally a more basic iteration of the Model Y, which raises questions regarding Tesla's ongoing commitment to innovation and pioneering design principles. Despite the inherent risks, the Model 2 possesses the potential to emerge as Tesla's highest-selling model, thereby solidifying its position within the affordable electric vehicle market and furthering the agenda of mass electrification. Features a modular design that facilitates quick and cost-effective repairs. This innovation empowers owners to manage small accidents efficiently, avoiding excessive repair bills and ultimately enhancing the urban driving experience. Incorporating refillable wiper inserts, the Model 2 minimizes the cost and effort associated with maintaining visibility in rainy or winter weather conditions. This thoughtful addition streamlines routine maintenance for drivers. By standardizing fasteners, the Model 2 can significantly reduce repair times at workshops. This leads to lower labor costs for consumers throughout the vehicle's lifespan, potentially encouraging more buyers to consider switching to electric cars. The Tesla Model 2 app allows users to establish a monthly charging budget, automatically optimizing power levels during off-peak hours. This feature effectively manages electricity costs for users. Designed to accommodate various charging environments, the Model 2 includes automatic voltage detection and safe current adjustments. This guarantees stable charging, even in older homes or garages. With features like a curb camera and rubber door edge protectors, the Model 2 helps prevent minor damages when parking. These innovations bolster user confidence, especially in congested urban settings. The vehicle's advanced cameras and sensors are crucial in preventing minor accidents in tight spaces. By ensuring clearer views, this technology significantly reduces repair costs for drivers and enhances parking efficiency. Comfort features such as adjustable seating and accessible entry points are essential for older drivers, allowing them to enter and exit the vehicle without strain. This design focus underscores the commitment to user well-being. Equipped with innovative climate control systems, the Model 2 maintains comfortable interior temperatures, safeguarding both passengers and the vehicle's materials from extreme heat. Such enhancements contribute to an overall better driving experience. By utilizing a kilowatt-hour, households can efficiently power essential devices such as LED lamps and routers for several hours, demonstrating the practical utility of the Tesla Model 2. The automatic shut-off feature is a vital aspect, ensuring that the vehicle's battery maintains a safe threshold. This functionality helps prevent potential power issues for users. Lastly, the camp mode of the Tesla Model 2 offers energy-efficient climate control, creating a comfortable environment for extended periods without significantly draining the battery. Musk's emphasis on affordability reflects a significant trend within the automotive sector, where the movement towards electric vehicles strives to enhance accessibility for a broader demographic. This shift has substantial implications for the future development of electric vehicles. Tesla's recent pricing strategy emerges as a direct reaction to the escalating competition from rival companies, notably BYD, which provides electric vehicles at more competitive price points. This strategy could significantly alter consumer perceptions of the Tesla brand. The forthcoming Model 2 is projected to launch in December, with aspirations to transform the electric vehicle market through its budget-friendly pricing. This paradigm shift has the potential to catalyze a remarkable increase in Tesla's sales figures. Responses to the unveiling of the Model 2's pricing exhibit a spectrum of opinions. Some consumers express skepticism